am absolutely fascinated with international sweets, things I can't get here at home. And I love the packaging. I love the excitement about opening it and tasting it. My sister just got back from London and she brought me 3 vegan chocolate bars. So I thought I would share what those are and then how they taste. We'll do a little taste test here. The first one is called Melt. It's a vegan milk bar. That's the packaging. Let's take a look. Melt. So let's try it. There is nothing wrong with that. A little waxy, but very creamy and delicious. I'd say this is a winner. The next one is from Hotel Chocolat. It is a raspberry vegan ganache. And here is what the chocolates look like. Ooh, that one looks good. Let's get into this. That innard is pure raspberry ganache, and that is delicious. Ooh, yes. This last one is, I'm gonna mispronounce it. I'm gonna say Booja Booja. Almond salted caramel, chocolate truffles, and let's see what this tastes like. Can definitely taste the almond. I'm not getting caramel. I am getting salt, and now it's sticking to my teeth, so maybe that's the caramel. Oh, there it is. I'm getting it now. That is delicious as well. Thank you so much to my sister for bringing these back for me. If you have any comments, let me know. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.